Hello students, welcome to the fourth video on light for class 10th. In this video, we will learn about the sign conventions for the spherical mirrors. In this video, we will try to understand what are sign conventions. These are the rules which tells us what sign to put plus or minus for a distance of image, distance of object, focal length, height of the image, height of the objects. So this sign convention will help us to interpret from data which side of the mirror image is formed, what is the type of image, and what is the distance of object from the pole of the mirror. Rule number 1. All the distances are measured from pole of the mirror, that is center of the mirror. Number 2. Object is always placed on the left side of the mirror. If we apply Cartesian convention to the focal length, then concave mirror will always have negative focal length and convex mirror will always have positive focal length, because in case of the concave mirror, focal length is a distance on the negative side, and for convex length it is on the right hand side. Rule 3 says distance towards right of the pole of the mirror are considered positive. Distance towards left of the mirror are considered negative. Object is always placed on the left hand side, so object distance u is always negative. Image distance v can be negative or positive. In case of the concave mirror, it is always negative except when the object is placed between f and p, where image is formed behind the mirror and the distance is positive. Lengths perpendicular and above the principal axis are positive. That means height of object h0 will always be positive. Also, erect and virtual images hi will also be positive. Lengths perpendicular and below the principal axis are negative. So height of the real image which is formed below the principal axis will be negative. Now here we try to make everything at a glance. In this figure, object AB is on the left hand side of the mirror. Image A dash B dash is also on the left hand side of the mirror. So U is negative, V is negative. Height of the object is above the principal axis, so H0 is positive. Image is below the principal axis, so HI is negative. In summary, when we go away from the mirror, on the left hand side it is negative distance, on right hand side it is positive distance, upward it is positive, downward it is negative. So if you can recall your graph paper, the rules are same as we were using in the graph paper. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe the channel. Thanks again.